ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅಂತ. ಆದರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವೇರ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಗೆಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ದಟ್ Delhi is like a ocean, but we are far away from Delhi, so that we are not getting that water anta. So that is why we have organized this workshop for teachers, and to make this more effective, we have organized this department wise. We can understand every teacher is very busy, you are with your BOE meeting, BOS meeting and lesson writing and all. So we are just requesting all the teachers to just spare half an hour, so that you will get lot of information which will be very, very helpful to you. Sir, today we have a workshop with the Kannada, and today we have lecturers. Professor Chandragowda is here. He is from Department of Kannada. Professor Mani is there. He is from Department of Kannada. And Madam Jyoti Shankar, she is from Department of Kannada. So today we have with us Dr. Anantaram. He is from Delhi, and he has got immense experience in the research grants. He is helping many universities, and he will give us ideas from where we can apply and how to write the research proposal. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Anantaram, former UGC officials and advisor to promotion of research and accreditation to various universities and colleges. I have more than 24-year experience and help various universities for developing research culture and providing the funding grant to various institutions. Here, during my presentation, I'll let you know that what are the opportunities available at state level, national level, and international level also. So you can get the opportunity for applying for the funding grants. As Madam said, mostly all the funding agencies are associated with the ministries, and all ministries are in Delhi. So I'm in Delhi, so I can provide you the information time to time that where the opportunities are there, where you can apply. Although in the area of your languages, core research is not there, but you can do the applied research or study kind of thing, so that it can be useful for making the policies by the government. So during my presentation, I let you know that there are vast opportunities for all where they can apply. This is my profile. Madam told that I worked in various institutions, including the UGC and others. Similarly, I got the opportunity to work the various chairman, vice chairman, joint secretaries, etc. during my tenure. So I got the ample experience through there from them, and guidance that how we can develop our academic institutions. Those basically are teaching institutions. So how to transform them into a research institution. For that purpose, I visit here, so that I make each and every faculty provide the guidance, so that they can apply, and at least each faculty get one grant each year. That is the mandate or purpose to visit here. Any of you received the grant at national level or international level so far, or state level? From where, madam?
State level it is Sahitya Academy.
Sahitya Academy.
National level it is different organization where they called me for doing the.
Fine. So I'll suggest you in your department, you can plan a next. Yeah.
It is directly a personal project.
Okay.
Not through the university.
Okay, fine. So here I will suggest you that where are the opportunities, at least in your department, you can plan for at least national level conference and even international conference for importance of your language. So you can say the prospect and prosperity about the languages, that what is the impact of that language. So for that purpose, seminar grants is available all the time. So in every semester you can plan at least one national level seminar. So for that purpose, fund can be given to you. So you generally conduct conference seminar, but you do not ask for the funding to national level agencies or state level. So here I will give you the opportunity where you can apply, right? So I request in every semester at least one or two seminar proposal may be submitted, and sometime call for proposal is available from the ICSR and other social science department where you can apply for. So I'll time to time I'll provide the information. Here, I'll provide a kind of research calendar on monthly or weekly basis so that every week or every month you will be aware where the opportunities are available and you can apply over there. Similarly, these kind of grants is available. So core research grant, it is not part of your thing, but travel grant you can avail, seminar grant, scholarship, fellowship, different grants is there related to social sciences. So that can be availed. Similarly, I prepared a compendium funding agencies for university level. So you are the part of the university department. So some specific departments are available where you can get the funding, like a university grants commission. You invite, you apply over there. So time to time they invite the call. Similarly, Indian Council for Social Science Research, they regularly invite for the calls. And in the last month, they invited the short-term minor research projects, that empirical research. For that purpose, they were giving the small grant, 6 lakhs for that purpose, 6 lakh to 30 lakh. Today itself, the last date also there. So for a minor major research projects, so next time when call will come, so I'll provide the information 1 month in advance, so you can apply well in time, right, ma'am? So this time we can skip. Similarly, Ministry of Information, Electronics and Information Technology is there, which also invite the various calls once in a year regarding the development of languages and utilization with the help of the information communication technology. How the language can be better understand or utilized, or new apps can be developed so that non-native person can understand your language, or you understand foreign language, other languages also. If some tourist or visitor visit your city or your place, so if they are not well versed with the Kannada language, but if you have a kind of app with the help of the IT department, computer department, so it can be immediately translate the language through help of the open sources or computers or mobiles. Similarly, some schemes are there like Women and Child and Ministry of Indian Council of Social Science Research. So these are the 4 or 5 agencies are there where calls are invited throughout year. So you can plan like University Grants Commission, Indian Council of Social Science Research, and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. These are the 3 areas where you can plan national level conference immediately. These conferences are actually open throughout year. So you can apply anytime. Only thing is that you have to apply 60 to 90 days in advance. So if you apply well in time, so every month they have a meeting in that year, this proposal will be get approved. So around 1 lakh to 3 lakhs funding you can give. It can be given to you, right? Similarly, regarding seminar, other agency like National Commission for Women, ICSR, UGC I mentioned, you can apply for that. And similarly, for travel grant, these are the agency. If you participate in some national or international level event or state level event for that purpose, if you got the invitation, so you can also avail the travel grant also. So if it is state level or national level, so small travel grants you can avail. So UGC gives the grant, and these 2 more agencies which provide the travel grant, you can avail. Similarly, Karnataka State Council for Science and Technology is there, which also gives the grant, very short, small grant, less than 5 lakhs, small grant they give.
Sir, especially for Kannada language.
Yes. Yes.
How we should utilize that?
Yeah, first of all, you have to prepare a proposal in collaboration with the other department like computer science department. Can you develop a kind of solution or some application which can be useful in Kannada language? Or some
See, expertise is there for different teacher because he is expert in translation.
yes,
And he is a folklorist and even classical literaturist he is.
yes,
And my area is classical and as well as musicology is there.
fine.
And if it is there, can you tell us how to do this in the university?
Yes. In the there is a Ministry of Education started Indian knowledge system. Under the Indian knowledge system, you can incorporate your languages with other relevant area. on that relevant areas, project can be granted. So they invite calls quarterly. Every quarter they invite a call for that. So in that area, other than that, UGC is there, ICSR, three agencies are only there, only three. Because language is basically not the core area of research under the science and technology. One more area I mentioned, that that Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that invites call for development of the some kind of applications in association with the computer science engineering.
Even CIIM, they also invite some projects.
Yes.
On Center for
Cent-
Institution for
yes, they invite for some small projects.
Small Projects.
Yeah. And if you can work on the sub translation program with the Indian and foreign languages, if you work on that collaborative mode, so we can sign MOU with foreign institutions also, so that can be worked. That is the area where some grant can be taken.
For that, they will only offer us.
Yes.
The amount what we are going to pay.
Yes.
And please translate that into
That is one. Yes, on the their quantum work, basis of the quantum work, they that is.
Particularly from English to Kannada or from other languages, other Indian languages to Indian Kannada, like that, if it is anything is there.
Right now, schemes is not there. ICSR invited the call under the social science schemes. So you can work on like a impact of Kannada language on employment. Means if you can do the comparative study, if a group of students work study through the English medium, and their employment as well as the impact of the Kannada language, their employment. So that comparative study program can be done. So for that purpose, small funding up to 10 lakhs under the minor or major research project can be granted through the Indian Council of Social Science Research. Because that is a specific agency which provides the fund under the social science. Your languages come under the social science category, not the core science. That's why some limitation is there in your department, that we cannot approach all these 40 agencies I mentioned here, only few, 2 or 3.